So instead of doing the front and back welding, maybe you just do all the welding on the front, and you run how many ever thousands of parts that you need to run. Then you swap out the entire fixture, and then you reload the part back in to do the welding on the back. So, those things work out for your lower volume type of welding, and that falls in the category of using like seam tracking type of systems. Like you have a lower volume and cycle times don't need to be extremely fast, then you can utilize more manual processes and use technologies like seam tracking where it may consume more cycle time. But if we're getting into like the really high production type of welding processes or components, then you're going to want to have positioners that give you the ability to rotate automatedly and then perform the front and back weld without having to unload that and load that part back into a weld cell. Because every time you have to load and unload that part, that's an operator intervention, which means that's just more labor to perform the same actions.